Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix common Google Authenticator problem or issue from your phone. Let's get started. If the app is frozen or not showing your codes, try closing it completely, swipe off from the bottom of your screen, find the Google Authenticator app and swipe it away, then open it again. If that doesn't help, go to the App Store, tap on your profile, scroll down and see if an update is available. Tap update if you see it. Sometimes update can fix bugs and issues. If that doesn't help, open the app and look for a sign in button or profile icon. If you sign in to your Google account before logging in again, will sync your code. This only works if sync was turned on earlier. If your codes are gone, visit the login page of each service, click on Can't Use Authenticator or try another way, and follow their steps to reset your 2FA. And that's how you fix your Google Authenticator issue from your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.